This conference will now be recorded.
Hi Ramya, hi Fahad. Thank you for joining. This is Sandeep here, and today we are for the workshop of Oracle Finance. I represent a company by name Fortified Learn, and we are basically a cloud ERP implement company. We operate from US, UK, and India. India, we are in Bangalore, and US in US in Texas, and UK in Hertfordshire. Right. So we will be looking this program from implementation, migration, and technology transformation. As Fortified Learn is an ERP implementation on cloud solutions, and Fortified Learn train the people and then deploy the people into our parent company, which is Fortified Infotech. Agenda of this workshop is to understand what is Fortified Infotech, what is objective of this training program, right? What are the different type of employment opportunities we will have? What would be the training cost and timing? What would be the compensation offered to the employees, additional benefits, and detail of the program? So we have been into implementation from past 2003. We are into implementation of cloud solutions, cloud technology, and transformation and migration of technology, which we do for our customers. And we'll be looking from Oracle migration from on-premise, that is e-business, to cloud. So we have three different programs. One is basic. I hope you can see my screen, right? One is basic, advanced, and expert level. So training duration will be 60 hours. Cost for basic is 47, advanced is 88, and expert is 2,12,000. We do training, and apart from that training, you'll have a license, additional license for the practice, which is for 30 hours, 60 hours, and 90 hours. So you will get more on that. Plus, there is a paid project which is going to be for $100, $200, and $300, right, at different level. Placement within 60 to 90 days with us, as we are implementing company. So project will be on our certification examination fees. We are going to take care. We'll have a live recording, and apart from this, we are going to have a material and other thing given to you. Interview preparation and additional 10 hours and 20 and 25 hours will be given in different tariff. Interview preparation means here, who are our customer, how do we handle, what are the queries they will have, how we are going to address. So this is not just HR round, or it's purely a technical round. Client project specific discussion, for that still 10 hours. So roughly, if you just see 20 hours we are giving into, plus in advance we are giving 60 hours, and here we are giving 75 additional. Plus course completion certificate you will have, and then you will have email and WhatsApp support after training, which is for basic 90 days and advanced 180 days, and expert 365 we will have. So this is what it is going to get into, right? We will have training in the morning and evening, right? You can select the batch, right? And system access 24/7 you're going to have. So as now we have close to 20 positions which we are going to hire as a consultant, senior consultant, project lead. So Oracle Finance Cloud, which is a cloud solutions, we are migrating from on-premise applications to cloud, where we are going to do implementation of cloud technology. As Fusion is with the cloud, where technologies like AI, machine learning, and we are using reconciliation statement for doing the transaction for end-to-end. So here our focus will be complete implementation and migration of technology. So here we will be more focusing specific to client, right, where we will implement and migrate the transactions for the customer. So one is migration, which we are going to migrate like balance sheet, chart of accounts, and further in Oracle Fusion. That is one part. And other non-Oracle applications like SAP, third-party applications, all this we are going to see for migration of this. We will be in position to do complete configuration on cloud for GL, procurement, account payable, receivable, assets, cash, right, budgeting and reporting. So customer want us to build this complete system on Oracle Fusion. All right, there is two probability. One is migration, and post migration we are going to create a smart forms, a digital form for the customers, which we are looking into. We will have specific the dashboards and customized dashboard for the customers, which we can manage. All right, and these are more on the Oracle Fusion applications we are going to build on. Now, if you just see, the advantage is that one is we will have productive dashboards, right? We will have data integration of dashboards, financial control we are going to cover on, and then mobile interfaces we are going to look into. Certification also is a part where we are going to help you in associate level, professional level, and master level getting in. We will have two segmentation: pre-migration, post-migration, and configuration on Oracle Fusion. So here we are going to do basic configuration and then migrating for the Oracle from FSM, that is functional manager role point of, and then we'll start configuring and like GL and account receivable, account payable. Here two things what customer would expect. One is configuration, and the one is a transaction which we are going to do end to end. All right. So where same thing in account payable also configuration transactions we will have. All right, and then receivable also we'll have in detail, which will be covering cash management, fixed assets, all right, transactions which are going to have. And apart from this, expenses, purchase, procurement, we are going to cover on. Taxation will be covering on more on specific. When we come to a project, here also customer want us to be part of implementation and project, which we cover on from the fusion, migration, and post migrations we want to get into. So here major focus will be on the revenue applications from the customer point, and we are going to get into. All right, and then foreign transactions will be covering end to end for the transaction specific to the customer. So here we'll be having reporting, which we are going to manage for the customer for our business, and then completely monitoring of the application point. So this is what we'll be looking on: implementation, project, migration, transformation. On the implementation prospects we'll be looking on. We can open these sessions for question and answers. Ramya will be starting these training from coming week, because projects will start from mid of May, and then deployment will be from July. All right, on-site team will start working from April, because that's a financial year. Customer approved. This year they have extended in US because of election, financial calendar. All the companies they are going to get into. So this is what we are going to do: complete implementation, technology transformation, and taking into. So any questions you have, Ramya, we can take into and discuss this. I hope. I think you're in mute. So Ramya, I think still if you want to have any discussion, please connect to Farah. She'll help you, or we'll take it further. If you want one more round of discussions, we can. All right. So we are starting from coming week, and the project will also get started. So with this, thank you very much for joining this workshop. Hope we can take this further. Thanks.